be teaching you guys how you could do the tile slide transition on Funimate. So what you want to do is go into a group layer and then go into add and select the tile slide transition on Funimate. Then what you want to do is set your keyframes in place to one being in the middle of the clip and the next one being at the end. Then drag the bar to how much you want the cubes to split. You could also adjust any of this to your liking. I suggest doing this because it makes it smoother. Then what you want to do is repeat the same thing on the other side, in putting your first keyframe at the very beginning and the second keyframe at the middle of the clip, while also keeping this here. I really hope that this tutorial helped. I'm sorry it was so quick, but yeah, bye!